Welcome to day 12, and I'm so excited to explore what could be your most powerful marketing tool ever. Your message. Guys, this isn't just about crafting the perfect tagline or elevator pitch or anything like that. Your message is the heartbeat of your business. Your story connects with the people that you're meant to serve. Let's talk about what makes the message very powerful. It's not about having the flawless perfect delivery, polished words. Guys, if you followed me, you know that I do not have polished words. I flub here and I flub there, and that is fine. Because guess what? Whole unique self. I am not perfect. And guess what? You don't have to be perfect either. Sometimes the most impactful messages are the ones that show your vulnerability and your authenticity. Whenever you share those real experiences, the struggles, the doubts, the moments that you want to give up, you become relatable. And people see that in your story. And when you share those breakthroughs, you're going to give them the hope. And that's what's possible because every person out there has got a story to share. Think of your message as the bridge between someone's problem and your solution. It's the moment of connecting. They just understand exactly what they're going through. Whenever I first shared my story about leaving the classroom, it wasn't polished at all. I stumbled over my words. I felt nervous, but it was raw and it was authentic and it resonated with people. They reached out to me saying, I felt just like you when you was telling your story. That's when you understand that it really matters more than being perfect. Yes, I can tell you whenever I was working 8 to 16 hours a day, all I wanted was my time back. And whenever I truly got my time back and realized I could work 2 to 3 hours a day and bless other people, that is your story. Here's something that's crucial to remember. People don't just buy products. They buy that transformation. They invest in the possibility of change. Your story demonstrates the transformation that's possible. You don't need to know everything and have everything figured out. What matters is your willingness to share your journey, where you've been, what you've learned, how you're moving forward. The vulnerability builds trust and inspires action into others. So today I want you to write down one struggle that you have faced that you need to work on to overcome it. Don't overthink it. Just write it from your heart. Transform your experience into those short posts and quick videos. And remember, authenticity connects more than perfection. So your message truly does matter. Your story matters. And someone out there needs to hear exactly what you have to say. So your message is the power that creates the real change. It can help others feel understood. It can give them hope, and it shows them a path forward. So don't hold it back. Share your message and watch the impact that you can have on others. Thank you for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow with more powerful messages that you'll create and you'll share with the world. So if you're having struggles, friends, I just want to encourage you this. Be real, be authentic, understand what pain point you want to experience to help somebody through their situation. Mine was I wanted my time back. When my husband asked me not to re-sign my contract because I was working 16 to 18-hour workdays because I was buried into helping those kids come out of their struggles. I want you to understand you don't have to work that 9 to 5 job. There's other options out there. And guess what? You have the story within you. I can help teachers learn how to work remotely from anywhere. I can help moms or grandmas learn how they can work remotely from anywhere. I can help dads understand how you don't have to have that second or third job. I can help retirees understand how they can get more income after they retire instead of having to go back to a second or third job. I can help those moms that's lost a kid because I've been there and I've done that. I can help them through that grief and that struggle to understand that their story means something to someone else. So whatever your struggles are, whatever your stories are, wherever you are, understand there's somebody else in the world out there that needs your story as well. So Thanks for watching me. Today, we're on day 12, mastering your message, because your message is truly the most important thing. People don't buy products, they buy transformations. And if you can help them transform their life into something else other than their 9 to 5, other than them not having time with their precious moments with their kids, understanding how they don't have to miss those special events anymore. When you can transform that into someone else's life, guys, you've mastered your message. So I just encourage you, you've got it. You've got everything inside of you that you need to succeed. And I'm going to help you create what you don't feel like you do. So click that link, follow me on this journey. We still have several more days in our 90 days to go. We are on day 12, and I just am so proud of you for being here. Tomorrow's day 13. I cannot wait to share day 13 with you. So I hope you have a blessed evening, blessed day, wherever you are in the world today, and let's go crush it.